What is that?
Ibis.
Ibis daw.
Guys! Guys! Guys!
So, yan na naman ni Kaden. Wow! You want it?
You want it? You want it?
I want it. I want it.
Want it?
Wow! May bagong toys ang Kaden. May mga iba-iba siyang pattern. Wow! Ayan, buttons yan. Oh, which one you want? Pili ka dito. Anong gusto mo natin yung train? Let's yan. Fix the train. Fix the train. Yan. Diyan siya ilalagay para same colors Kaden ha.
Guys!
Happy na naman siya oh. Ayan. Dapat same color anak ha. You will put the same color. Oh. If it's yellow, yellow. Yan. Very good. This one is color blue. Blue. This, ayan. Very good. Blue. Sige. Orange. Ang galing. Alam niya, oh. Wow, very good ah. Ayan na. May pagkakaabalahan ka na uli. Alam niya, oh. Diba? Color green. Yan. Very good. Green. Ayan, green to, oh. Ayan, green. Very good. May bago siyang pagkakaabalahan. Para iwas gadget. Kakatapos lang kasi niya kumain, eh. Very good yan kasi marami yan nakain, eh, no? Kaya binigyan niya ng toys ni Mommy. Say thank you, Mommy. Are you happy? Ganda. Yes. Ayan. Very good. Nag-yes siya. Yes. Oh, malapit niya na matapos, oh. Very good, ah. Alam niyang violet yun, oh. Naglagay siya ng ibang color. Pero alam niya naman. Ayan. May nakalagay kasi dito mga bilog na kulay. Kaya yun yung sinusunod niya. Wow! Sabi niya kanina, wow! Very good. It's done. The next one is trees. Tree. Baka kasi isipin niya yung number 3. Ayan. Marami pa siya guys, so, na iba-ibang klase. Ayan. May frog. May animals. Mix na siya, no? Ayan. Ito parang dinosaur. I'm not sure. Cake. May mga iba-ibang animals. Parang duck. Ito, umbrella. So, marami na siyang kasama, guys. Ulit to. Magiging busy siya dyan. Hindi siya agad magsasawa. Oh, very good. Ayun, tama yung pagkakalagay niyan. Mga may color sa below. It's color green. Change the color green. Ayan, very good. Naintindihan niya yung green. Favorite niya na yung ipis. Ipis daw yan eh. Nanap niya, sabi niya ipis. Favorite mo yung ipis. Hindi yan ipis. Bag yata yan eh. Kasi nasa dahon siya oh. Oh, may ice pa yung ipis ah. Is it done? Very good ah. Careful. Ayan, 12 pictures siya, 46 baud. Ang laktong color pink sa kabilaan. What is that? Is that a house? Or a boat? I think it's a boat. Kasi may fish dyan, oh. Nasa water siya eh. This is a boat. Thank you for watching.